Hello everyone. In this video we are going to learn about how to create a bubble chart in Tableau. So bubble charts are used to display data in a cluster of circles. Dimensions define the individual bubbles and measures define the size and color of the individual circles. Let's create a basic bubble chart that shows sales and profit information for different product categories. So let's go to Tableau. So first I will drag a category into column shelf and cells into row shelf. Okay, so Tableau will display the default chart which is a bar chart. So to convert this, to turn this to bubble chart, click on this show me option and select packed bubble chart type. Then Tableau will display this packet bubble chart and marks type is changed to circle and some supported measures and dimensions have added to marks card automatically. So now drag region into details in the marks card. Then this is a packet bubble chart and each color represent for each category. So red color represent for technology and blue color for furniture and this orange color for office supplies. And now I will drag the measure profit in colors. So what we can observe from this chart is the size of bubbles shows sales and the color of bubbles represents for profit. It means that the larger in size of bubbles for different combinations of region and category is for highest sales and the darker in color of green represent with highest profit. I will drag the region in label. Then you can see this bubble chart with a combination of category and region. So you can also format this color of this bubble chart from this color legend. This is scale of profit from least to highest, and least represent this lighter color and the darker in color of circles represent for highest profit. Okay, thanks for watching. Please do subscribe and like this video.